What's happening, sports fans? Welcome back to another episode of Mama and Papa Joe. It's Tuesday, Taco Tuesday. Today on the menu are Barbacoa tacos. We've got some awesome beef cheeks. We're gonna smoke them on the Brooks drum, and they're gonna be good to eat. Let's get moving. These beef cheeks are absolutely delicious. A tough piece of meat, and it requires some slow cooking, long cooking, some braising, lots of connective tissue. There's a lot of waste as well as you begin to trim. You'll notice all kinds of fat, man. A pretty gnarly looking piece of meat. You're looking for these pieces. So there's probably at a minimum 50% waste as you buy these. The object here is just to, the way I like to do it is remove as much of the waste tissue, the cartilage, the sinew, the connective tissue, silver skin. You can cook it with that stuff on, but in the end, you're gonna have to remove it, and then it's gonna take your seasonings with it. This is a pretty sharp knife, and I'm telling you, it struggles to cut through some of this tissue. Again, I'm not going to fool with this. We're going to call it good. Folks, that is more than 50% loss. I guarantee you. So I had 3 packs of these. So this is what we're left with. We're going to get these seasoned up. Today we're going to be seasoning with 2 different rubs. Rio Valley's Perfecto and my own combination of just kosher salt, black pepper. I will first use my Maggi Hugo as a binder. You know how I feel about this earthiness, this umami that it adds. Want to make sure you get all sides covered nicely. And once again, if you're new, a binder is just something wet that's going to allow your rub to stick to whatever you're seasoning. This is going to be a 4-hour cook, fairly lengthy, so don't be afraid to apply it. We do want to create a bit of a crusty bark. Now come back with that Perfecto. Alright, that should do us. Let's get cleaned up and head outside and get that drum lit. We are roughly 275. Got a nice burn going, and it's time to get these cheeks on. They've got a nice sweat going, man, nice and wet. That should immediately begin work on that smoke ring. These really take to a smoke ring very well. Let's get this lid on before we jump too crazy high. We won't bother these again for maybe another 2 hours or so. We're at that 2-hour mark, and man, just like I expected, we got that nice rendering going. We've got some great color. I am going to spritz these with a little beef stock and maybe go another half hour. So we're about 20 minutes away from panning those beef cheeks. In this pan, I've got about half of a medium yellow onion, 1 jalapeno. That jalapeno was starting to ripen, so we got a little color to it. I like that. 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and a little bit of my black pepper and salt. That is all. I'm gonna put the beef cheeks on top of this and add maybe a 1/4 cup of boiling hot beef stock. Wrap it very tightly and put it back on the pit. All right, time to get these puppies wrapped. I'm loving that color, nicely rendered. So I'm setting these on top of my onion, jalapeno, garlic mix, and we're gonna go inside and get this knocked out. 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup of hot beef stock. Just want to wrap tightly, and we're back on the pit. I'm estimating maybe another 1.5 to 2 hours. We are right at a total of 4 hours, folks, and I think we are ready to go. Oh, they absolutely probe like butter. And if you're interested in the temperature, they're pushing 210, 212 in that little one. So we're gonna pull these and we're just gonna let them rest. All right, we've given these a couple of minutes, man, to relax. They smell so absolutely wonderful. And this juice and the onions that have cooked down, the garlic. I'm just gonna leave everything in there and we're gonna start breaking these down. Oh my goodness. And any pieces of tissue that we might find that we don't want, we're going to remove. Oh, this is well cooked. Oh, the smoke ring is so deep. If you're into it, you can actually take these, chop them up, but I prefer to see mine in a little larger pieces, so I am not going to chop them up. Man, that fat has rendered well. This looks like I'm in a restaurant, and I want to make sure I get it mixed in with the peppers, the garlic, the onions, that cumin that was sitting on the bottom. Oh, it's got a little heat to it. Man, that's absolutely beautiful. Taste this, Mama. All right, so let's put a couple of tacos together. These tortillas are nice and hot. Oh, a little crisp. Oh, so we'll just come back with as much as you want. Oh, those onions in there. I love tortillas with a little crisp on them. With pico, if you're into pico. Love pico. Again, it's up to you what you want to put on these tacos, man. A couple slices of avocado. Red salsa, green salsa, and red and green salsa. Awesome queso fresco. And last, a little cilantro. If you're not into cilantro, you can go parsley. A little squeeze of lime. Let's see what these taste like. Oh, they're healthy. Doesn't get much better than that, folks. That perfecto with the salt, and then the addition of the jalapeno really gives it a nice flavor. So easy. Like I said up front, it's gonna be a 4-hour cook. Want to thank you guys for hanging out with Mom and Papa Joe. We appreciate you guys stopping in, spending a little time with us. Be on the lookout for another video coming soon. In the meantime, take care of yourselves. Love each other, and we'll see you when we see you. Holla.